Welcome. I am absolutely thrilled to have you here on my brand new YouTube channel Prime Cook. Get ready for a culinary adventure like no other. We dive into the world of flavors, techniques, and delicious creations. I'm your host, and I can't wait to share my passion for all things food with each and every one of you. Here on this channel, we're going to embark on a gastronomic journey, exploring the wonders of the kitchen and unraveling the secrets behind mouthwatering meals. Whether you're a kitchen newbie or a seasoned home cook, there's something here for everyone. We'll cover the basics, the essentials, and even dive into some advanced techniques, so you can feel confident and empowered in your own kitchen. Now, let's talk about ingredients. They are the heart and soul of every dish. Together, we'll explore the world of flavors, textures, and aromas. From fresh produce to exotic spices, we'll learn how to choose, handle, and utilize each ingredient to its fullest potential. We'll also delve into the fascinating stories behind these ingredients, discovering their cultural significance and how they can elevate our cooking. Cooking is an art, and I'm here to help you become the artist of your kitchen. We'll master essential techniques that form the foundation of cooking, from knife skills to sauté, braising to baking. Together, we'll develop the confidence to experiment and create your own culinary masterpieces. And don't worry, I'll be right by your side, guiding you every step of the way. But hey, it's not all about learning and technique. We're here to have fun too. Cooking should be an enjoyable experience, and that's exactly what we'll do. Get ready for some kitchen hacks, time-saving tips, and innovative recipes that will surely impress your friends and family. We'll explore different cuisines, whip up delicious desserts, and even indulge in some guilty pleasures. Yes, we'll cover it all. Now, here's the best part. You are an essential part of this channel. I want to hear from you, your thoughts, your questions, and your own kitchen adventures. We're building a community of food enthusiasts who share a love for cooking and exploring the culinary world. So, don't hesitate to leave your comments, suggestions, and recipe requests. Let's connect and learn from each other. So, are you ready to embark on this exciting journey together? I know I am. Subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell, and join me as we create, innovate, and celebrate the joy of cooking. Remember, the kitchen is your canvas, and every dish you create is a work of art. Thank you for being here. And I can't wait to see you in the next episode. Until then, happy cooking.